Paul, you're a bankruptcy attorney, so tell the listeners out there what they might call you about when you tell us about your typical client. What are people calling you about on a day-to-day basis?
Mostly it's credit card debt and the fact that they need some relief because they just can't afford to keep up with the credit cards anymore. Getting a lot of mortgage foreclosures lately, and occasionally get phone calls about wages being garnished and just general debt collection questions.
When people come to you and say, I got this overwhelming credit card debt, do you ask them, do you need to know, does the court need to know how this debt was accumulated?
Some of the trustees will ask what the credit card borrowings were for. Most people, it's supplementing the budget to make the budget work, and then when they run out of credit, they get into a crisis.
Okay.
Occasionally, I will get someone that just went crazy with the credit cards and ran up a bunch of money. It really depends. The credit card companies have the right to file an adversarial if they feel that the credit was taken out in an abusive fashion.
So if they use a credit card to take a cruise or a credit card to buy some expensive jewelry, now they're trying to file bankruptcy, they may not get away with that. Is that what you're saying?
Yes, it is up to the creditor. I once had a couple. It was December 23rd. The petition's literally on the dining room table. The wife got the idea, we're going to go to the mall one more time. They put on $9,500 on 2 cards. One of the companies said nothing. The other filed an adversarial, and we were able to settle out with the company, but it was a little bit of a shock when I received the adversarial complaint.
So would if the credit card company does not dispute this credit card debt being wiped out through bankruptcy, would the trustee not dispute it on the credit card company's behalf?
Pretty much the trustee's job is to just see if there are any assets or transfers that can be avoided and used to pay the creditors in a pro rata fashion.